How to backup files automatically using Google Drive. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up your browser. In the search bar, you can search for Google Drive download. Open up the first link that appears, and just like that, you can simply tap on Download Drive for Desktop. Wait for it to download, and once it is downloaded, you can simply tap on this Setup file. Now, once you have installed Google Drive on your computer, you can simply tap on Get Started and then sign in to your Google account. Now after that, you can simply click on Add Folder and choose the folder you want to backup. After that, you can simply click on Select Folders and then simply tap on Next, then tap on Got It. Now you can even backup photos and videos to Google Photos or skip this step. Now next, tap on Next and then tap on Open Drive. Now wait for the files to sync, and just like that, your files are now backed up completely. And just like that, your files are now backed up automatically. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.